boss babes and bosses out there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, basically it's a comeback, no? Kasi it's been a while na since nung last upload ko. So yeah, I'm so excited to get back here because meron akong i-announce sa inyo guys. It's a surprise. Surprise! Yeah, anyway, this past few weeks, naging busy ako sa personal life ko. And then, ito yung ginagawa ko. Nagpe-prepare ako ng something for you. So it's a surprise. I'm not sure if you can guess, pero ito yung always na ina-ask nyo sa amin. Yeah, I'm so excited to give this one to you kasi always itong nire-request. Parang kinakabahan ako na i-share sa inyo. Pero yeah, I'm so happy to announce that we are going to have a new challenge for you bosses. So this challenge is how to become a social media manager. It's a series. I mean, it's more like an e-course, but it has a twist. So, I'm gonna share with you kung ano yung process or ano yung gagawin nyo to become a social media manager. Ito yung challenge natin. Ang goal nito is for you guys to become a social media manager na maging kampante na kayo to take clients. Even if you are aspiring or newbie or wala pa talaga kayong alam when it comes to social media management, then I guess you would be so happy sa challenge na gagawin natin. So, ang challenge na ito, basically, this is like an e-course, as what I have said earlier, but there's a twist. Diba sa typical e-course, more likely, you are going to pay for the course, and then you are going to watch the videos na nasa loob ng course. Meron ding mga other courses din na included and all, but it's just, you know, the surface level lang. Hindi talaga siya mga in-depth na mga tutorials and all. Ang twist sa atin, sa series na to, or sa e-course na to, or sa challenge na ito, is that every video is so detailed and meron kayong gagawin na pa-activity after the video. Of course, as always, na sinasabi ko sa mga videos natin, na you have to learn first, that's step 1, and then apply what you have learned. That's the step 2. Diba? I always encourage you na, you know, if you are going to learn something, apply it right away. Right? Now for the step 3, an option. If you want someone to guide you, to give feedback, and to check your output sa challenge na to, then you can join our paid exclusive community sa isang Facebook group where it's paid and where it's exclusive lang para sa mga action takers talaga. Yun siya. But you can still join the challenge even if you won't join the paid exclusive group. You can still join it by sharing your output sa I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐏𝐸𝐸 natin na page, which is yun yung pang-public. Okay? Anyone can join there. Anyone can share their output sa loob ng group na doon. Mag-check din kami doon from time to time, but it's not really the priority because we are going to prioritize those people na nasa loob ng paid community natin and make sure that all their questions are being attended, and then if all questions are being attended and meron pa kaming time to check the public group, which is I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐏𝐸𝐸, then we're also going to check there. Don't worry, because we love seeing your output, we love hearing your questions, we are really eager to help you guys to become a social media manager. So yeah, that's the step 3. So maybe your question now is, what are the other perks that you can get if you are going to join the paid group, no? So of course, you can also get a certificate from us. We are just going to give that one if na-complete niyo talaga yung pa-activities natin sa challenge na to. And then the second one, you can ask there any question when it comes to social media management, and then you can also share your output there. Meron kang ka-accountability buddy para mayroong mag-help sa iyo na ma-motivate ka to learn what you need to learn, to do what you need to do for that week, yung assignment mo for that week. And then we will also give you 10% discount for all the paid templates of BossedUp PH, and also we will give you a lot of free templates then. Ito yung mga templates na yon. And you can always revisit our videos kasi sa YouTube lang naman natin ilalagay. So accessible na siya for a lifetime kasi hindi naman natin yan tatanggalin. And we will keep updating videos, yung mga trends ngayon, kung ano yung need nyo mga laman na ngayon sa social media management and all. Yeah, I'm really excited to see you guys, whether sa private group man natin, yung paid group, or doon man sa I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐵𝐸𝐸 na Facebook group. So yeah, if you are excited to join our boss up challenge. Comment below, I want to boss up. And yeah, if you have any further questions for that challenge, just feel free to message us on our Facebook page at BossedUp PH. And don't forget to join our Facebook group, I'm Ready to Boss Up with Britx. Follow us on our Instagram accounts at Britx and at BossedUp PH. And yeah, hope to see you guys on our first lesson sa Boss Up Challenge. Bye!